Ang pelikulang ito ay rated G. Ito ay pwede sa lahat ng manonood.
Did you know water is an important source of life for every organism on Earth? While we drink, play, and clean with it every day, many people don't know much about the versatile resource we rely on to survive.
Well, water helps regulate the Earth's temperature. It can do the same for the human body. Water is an important tool for carrying nutrients and oxygens through your body of your cells. It also helps protect your organs, cures and joint, and it is a key part of clearing waste and toxins from your body.
According to the Water Education Foundation, it takes about 3 gallons of water to make 1 cup of lettuce, 7 gallons of water to make 1 slice of whole wheat bread, 46 gallons of water to make 0.36 ounces of butter, and 80 gallons of water to grow 1 ounce of almond.
Hi! Did you know that in the vastness of our oceans, a remarkable process unfolds? They are unseen by many, yet really beneficial to life beneath the waves. World of algae, the nature's microscopic powerhouses. Algae is a tiny but mighty organism. It forms the foundation of aquatic ecosystem and it blooms in a symphony of colors and life. From jungle ponds to the depths of the oceans, algae comes in diverse forms, and each of them plays a role to balance the life in our marine ecosystems. Join us in a fascinating journey on discovering how these tiny organisms form and thrive, also and how it shapes the world beneath the waves. This is the story of algae, where beauty meets biology and the dance of life.
Magandang umaga mga students! Ako nga pala si Kuya Carl na magbibigay sa inyo ng trivia about sa mga trending na nababalita. Viral ang isang babae kung saan nadula sa isang sahig dahil sa green na bagay. Ano nga ba ito? Alam niyo ba? Ang isang algae ay tinatawag na halamang dagat. Ito rin ay matatagpuan sa tubig tulad ng dagat, ilog at lawa. Ginagamit nila ang photosynthesis upang gumawa ng sarili nilang pagkain mula sa sikat ng araw, tubig at carbon dioxide. Kaya tagalabas sila ng oxygen na mahalaga sa ating ekosistema. Sa symptom progression naman ay magkakaroon ng katawan niya ng paralisa o pamamanhid ng katawan. Meron din yung muscle weakness. Other symptoms are headache, dilated pupils, tremor at saka nahihirapan kayong kumain.
Ano nga ba components ng algae? Yung components ng algae, mayroon itong chlorophyll A, B, C, D, F, and meron din itong carotenoids and phycobiliproteids.
So, ikaw, alam mo ba kung anong types ng mga algae?
Maraming types ng algae. Isa na dito ay ang brown algae, red algae, green algae, dinoflagellates, and diatoms and euglena.
So, alam niyo ba, madaming klase ng algae. Minsan, or lagi itong makikita sa mga basang lugar tulad ng mga dagat, lawa, or mga sapa, especially yung mga moist area. And kalimitan yung mga algae is kulay brown, red, green, and medyo mga pupulang kulay.
Finger and clover, they go together. Finger and clover, my love affair. Ano man ang status mo sa buhay, single or it's complicated, rockstar or diva, lover ng clover. Student or teacher, big time or chill lang, lover ng clover. My clover finger, lahat sisimutin, sarap ay uubusin.
Masarap kasama ang clover.
Welcome everyone to another episode of NU Patrol. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of algae, those tiny green organisms that live in water. Are they simply pod scum? Or do they hold a hidden power?
Algae are living plant-like organisms. Algae, like plants, produce their own food using the process of photosynthesis. Algae converts sunlight, water, carbon dioxide into food during the photosynthesis. Most algae may be found in seas, rivers, lakes, ponds, and in aquarium. Many types of algae have existed for more than 2 billion years. There are around 37,000 recognized new species of algae, and new algae are constantly being discovered.
The variety of algae is incredible. Algae play a vital role in our planet. They are the green engines that produce a significant portion of the oxygen we breathe. They're also the foundation of the aquatic food chain for many animals. Some algae, like spirulina, are even used as a food source and nutritional supplement for us humans. And to show us how we can identify and view algae, here's Miss Clarence.
Did you know the formation of algae can form in various ways, depending on their species and environments? Some examples of these are chlorella, diatoms, and dinoflagellates, which are unicellular algae, and they form individual cells floating purely in water, often forming part of the plankton. Taking a closer look at algae under the microscope reveals the incredible details and formation of these tiny organisms. Their ability to adapt and thrive in various environments is truly inspiring. Continue your exploration and see what other wonders await in the microscopic world.
Another report, algae has its benefit, and here's Ms. Samonte to tell us what are the benefits of algae can bring us.
Now they are quickly becoming a renewable source of fuel, agricultural feed, chemicals, plastic, and so much more. Algae can do all of these because of few unique advantages. And it consumes carbon dioxide as a food source and release oxygen into the atmosphere. At para naman sa mga disadvantages, Ms. Villapando will explain to you guys.
Stay tuned for more information about algae. We'll be right back. Welcome back. Now tell us what are the cons of algae. Here's Ali to report.
Thank you for that, Ms. Ramos. So according to researchers, maraming cons ang algae. Pero i-highlight natin ang dalawang bagay na ito. Una, ang pagiging maarte nito, at ang pangalawa is its quality issues. So in order for algae to grow, it requires a lot of water. And imbes nagagamit natin itong mga water resources nito sa other mas useful na bagay, nagagamit natin ito for its growth. Second is quality issues. Para ma-convert ito sa biofuel produced, it requires a lot of energy. Again, instead na magamit natin itong energy na to sa mas useful na bagay, nagagamit natin ito sa pag-convert sa kanya. So it's not really that useful.
So, Ms. Rayos, what are the prevention of algae?
Removing fallen leaves and other decaying materials deprives algae of food needed for growth. Providing shade around and the pond may help reducing water temperature and filtering the sunlight needed for algae to photosynthesize and bury straw with another way to prevent excess algae growth in water.
Okay, audience, that's all for the news today. We meet again at the same time and same channel. Thank you for the attention and goodbye.